chill in the air out there tonight, but it's going to get even colder and a chance of rain later this week.
Yeah, and we could use a little bit of the rain, although we had some on Sunday. But you can see we're dried out now, dried out tonight, and tomorrow's a small chance, but not much. Look at the difference. See this big trough here in the eastern half of the United States? That's the cooler air that came in yesterday with the front. Notice this big circle right here? That's a ridge of high pressure with nice quiet weather out west. By the way, California, first year in 25 years that they have not had a drought. First day in 25 years that they did not have a drought, anything, D0 or anything. That's amazing. They've had a lot of rain. But we're talking multiple cold fronts with some really cold air. Look at this next one. Look how far south and how cold it is. That's Thursday night into Friday. Then a little bit of a break. And then another one Saturday night into Sunday. And then that one lifts up. And then after that, now we're talking January 20th, it looks like it will be a little bit further to our north and right over top of us. But wow, we're talking some pretty chilly air. In fact, I think Friday morning will likely be the coldest morning of the season so far, okay? So we'll keep an eye on it. Now, we do have a couple weather impact alerts as a result. The first one, late Wednesday afternoon into early on Thursday, and I think more so for Thursday morning for a chance for rain. All right, I think the evening commute on Wednesday is fine, but the morning commute on Thursday probably have an issue. There'll be a couple of thunderstorms in there, not much, and severe weather threat is not what we're watching. We're just watching for some rain inconvenience for that Thursday morning commute. But that is bringing in the colder air, and our next weather impact alerts go for Friday and Saturday morning. So these are times for you to kind of watch out for, right? Freezing temps. Friday morning, a couple degrees warmer for Saturday morning, but pretty ballpark. It's going to be cold. Right now, mid-50s, almost everybody, and I think we just kind of hang out here all the way through the overnight hours. We wake up in the mid-50s. Clouds will actually thicken up a little bit, but we'll still make about 70 to 72 tomorrow. And 71 is average for this time of the year. Guess where we topped out today? 71 degrees. Now, here's that rain chance for Wednesday night. That's 11 p.m. Okay, small chance in the evening, better chance closer to midnight, and then after midnight into Thursday morning, showers, a couple thunderstorms, but that's the front. The front gets through here before the sun even comes up on Thursday, and then during the day on Thursday, we gradually clear things out. All right, so tonight, mid-50s, tomorrow, low 70s, more clouds. Boating, northeast winds to the north, 10 to 15 knots, I think closer to 10 knots, less wind than what we saw out there yesterday, 2 to 3 footers out on the Gulf. Look at the cool down. These are forecast high temperatures by the GFS model. 60 on Thursday, staying in the 50s on Friday. Warm up a little bit Saturday. Here comes the next one. And then we do it all over again. And obviously the overnight lows is the ones we're going to watch Friday morning and Saturday morning. Right now, they have some counties up north, Pasco, Hernando, Citrus. Some of those areas are going to have shelters for heating, okay? Cold weather shelters will be open Thursday night and probably Friday night as well. So here's the first one. Watch for the rain, mainly Thursday morning, 64 Thursday afternoon, and then the cold stuff gets in here Friday morning and Saturday morning. Widespread 30s and 40s, a couple spots, especially Pasco northward, will be sub-freezing to start the day.